we've had quite a bit of that.
Interestingly enough, we've seen more cars right now than we did yesterday on the trip into Eli from Moab, yeah. So that was desolate and lonely. But yeah, here's another car right here. So another car. Wow, real people.
Every time we go over a mountain pass, we see another rolling vista. And each is unique in its own way. But we're a little shocked on how many there are.
Every time we go over the next mountain pass, it's more of the same. So
and very little population.
Very little population.
Yeah.
So so we've seen a lot of this area now. We're ready for a change. So we're diving down into the California area for the next few days, and we'll make our way up through. We're going to pass right through Sacramento. We're going right over the coast. Get out of the desert. Get over to the coast. Exciting. Hey y'all, we're doing something we haven't done yet, and at all actually, but we've been driving for probably the last, 3 days through the desert, sagebrush, and we've been running into all of these little orange moths, I guess is what they are, and they're smashed all over the front of the RV. So we're stopping at an RV and truck wash, and we're going to go through a truck wash and see if we can get it all cleaned off. Pretty cool. No bugs. Look, no bugs. Wow.
Good morning.
Good morning. On our way out of Reno.
We have officially made it across the country.
Yeah, we're actually
we have entered California.
Yeah.
Last night we stayed at Grand Sierra Casino RV Resort.
Yep.
The RV park was under construction. But we had an issue because of what were they called?
They refer to them as goat heads. They look to me like little ground up pieces of cactus, but I think they're little seed pods of some kind. But they're these spiky little seed pods, and they're everywhere in the campground, and except for the dog park, because the dog park has astroturf. But even walking around in your shoes, they get stuck in your shoes. They get into the RV, and the dogs. Every once in a while, you see a dog limping, and so you have to stop and pull a little thorn out of the dog's paw.
Yeah.
So got some work to do there on that. The bathrooms, though, were great. It looks like it used to be a KOA. I saw some references to KOA.
And the casino was really nice.
The casino was beautiful.
And we had an excellent meal. Expensive. Steak dinner. Just what we need.
Yeah. I think was it called Charlie's or something like that?
I think so. But now we're headed to Tahoe City. Maybe we'll find some BLM land tonight.
Yep.
And it's a beautiful day. First time it's warm. Well, yesterday was warm.
Yeah.
But
over 66 degrees is warm.
66 is warm for us now. All right. Beautiful scenery.
And we have trees now.
We have trees.
Yeah. I haven't seen trees in quite a while.
Yes. A river down below. Starts with a T. Truckee River. Beautiful. And we're happy.
And we stopped and got the dogs got petties.
Yeah, we got their nails clipped because they were getting long. So. All right. Look at the lake. Look at Lake Tahoe. Come on, let's move along. house is this? Sugar Pine Point Campground, Lake Tahoe, west side of Lake Tahoe. There's several feet of snow on the ground, but it's hot out today.
Pretty cool. I don't think we're gonna have any company tonight. There's one trailer over there, but it's not even level, so it's not being. Oh, it does have a vent open on the top, so.